Ever wondered how your smartphone's photo app can identify your face among a sea of others? That's the magic of AI image recognition at work. This clever technology is embedded in our everyday lives, from unlocking our phones with a glance to tagging friends in social media posts. It's the invisible hand that sorts through billions of pixels, identifying patterns and making sense of visual data. But how does it all work? To understand this, we need to dive into the world of artificial intelligence. AI image recognition, also known as computer vision, is a fascinating field. It's like handing over the human ability to interpret and understand visual data to a machine. But how does it all work? Let's simplify it. Imagine a painter who looks at a landscape and breaks it down into different elements: the sky, the trees, the river, the mountains. Similarly, AI image recognition operates by breaking down an image into tiny elements or pixels and analyzing each one. Now remember, AI is all about algorithms, sets of instructions that guide a process. In the case of image recognition, these algorithms are designed to analyze the patterns within these pixels. They look at aspects like color, texture, shape, and size, and identify patterns within them. But just identifying patterns isn't enough. The AI needs to understand what these patterns mean. That's where machine learning comes in. Over time, the AI is fed thousands and thousands of images, each labeled with what it represents. For instance, if the AI is being trained to recognize faces, it would be shown numerous images of faces, each tagged as face. The AI uses these labeled images to learn. It identifies features and patterns that are common to all faces, such as two eyes, a nose, a mouth. The more images it sees, the better it gets at recognizing these patterns. This is similar to how a child learns to recognize objects, by seeing them repeatedly and associating them with a name or a concept. This process extends beyond facial recognition. Object detection, for instance, follows the same principle. The AI is trained with multiple images of the object, learning to identify its unique features and patterns, and eventually becomes proficient at recognizing that object in any image. So AI learns to recognize images much like how a child learns to recognize objects. This is the basic principle behind AI image recognition. It's a fascinating interplay of algorithms, machine learning, and pattern recognition, all coming together to give machines a vision, a computer vision. Now let's explore how AI really sees an image. It all starts with an image being converted into numerical data. You might be wondering, how does that happen? Well, each pixel in an image is assigned a numerical value based on its color and intensity. An image to us is a beautiful sunset or a smiling friend. But to an AI, it's just a grid of numbers, a matrix of pixel values. But what does AI do with this grid of numbers? This is where the magic happens. AI processes this data to identify features and patterns. These features could be anything from shapes and colors to textures and depths. It's like a giant game of I Spy, where AI is trying to spot patterns in the numerical data. AI doesn't do this alone, though. It takes advantage of machine learning, a subset of AI, to improve its ability to recognize images over time. Machine learning algorithms learn from past experiences. In this case, experience means previously processed images. The more images AI processes, the better it gets at recognizing patterns and making accurate predictions. Think of it this way. Every time AI processes an image, it's like it's studying for a test. The test? To correctly identify what's in the image. And just like any good student, the more it studies, the better it gets. This way, AI transforms a simple image into a mine of information. AI image recognition seems complex, but it's all about patterns and learning. We've journeyed through the intriguing world of artificial intelligence and image recognition, uncovering the basics that power this technology. It's a fascinating blend of intricate algorithms, neural networks, and machine learning, where AI systems are trained to identify and interpret images just as humans would. We've learned that the process involves feeding the AI copious amounts of data, allowing it to learn, recognize, and predict patterns. And it's this ability to see and learn that enables AI to carry out tasks ranging from facial recognition on our smartphones to the identification of diseases in medical imaging. In today's technology-driven world, the importance of AI image recognition cannot be overstated. It's shaping industries, revolutionizing healthcare, and creating a more personalized digital experience. So next time your phone recognizes your face, remember it's all thanks to AI's ability to see and learn.